Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on Review into Huck's World. And today we're back with another short video about the Galaxy Note 10. Now, this is more so about an application for the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Now, if you didn't know, we do not have the LED lighting for the notifications anymore, but there's an application that remedies that. So if you want that LED back like I do, then you might want to check out this application. Now, the application, there's a paid version and there's a free version. Now with the free version, you're going to miss out on a lot of the customization that you really want out of this application. So I got the pro version, so therefore I can show you everything. Plus it allows me an opportunity to tweak my LED notification settings however I see fit. With that being said, let's go in. Now this is what it's going to look like. The name of the application is called AODNotify Pro. Now we're going to go into notifications. The first thing we want to do is tap on the app. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and tap on whatever application you want to be notified from. I tapped on all. And then once you do that, you come down, it says phone unlock. It ignores a notification when phone is unlocked. Now removable, it ignores that. Notification cleared, only if notification was cleared, which is pretty cool. We're going to leave it there. Phone unlock, when device gets unlocked, it'll cut off. And then screen on. Now we're going to go back. Now here, we're going to go to edge lighting. Now edge lighting is just like what you got on the Galaxy Note 9, S9, Galaxy Note 10. Listen, it's the same very thing, but it allows you to do it in this application setting, which is pretty cool, right? So what you're going to be able to do, you're going to have settings like this, effects. We're going to go through the different ones so you can get an idea as to what it does. Gravity. Right? Now you can set the speed to fast, to slow, or however you want it to be. That's the speed right there. All right, now we're going to go back. And the one that I want to check out, that the main reason why I got this was the camera edge, which takes advantage of the punch hole dead center. Right? Now you're going to get the same features that you would with the edge lighting, but to me it looks better. Right? Let's check out pulse. Rotate, eclipse, eclipse light, and shimmer. Now again, you can change the speed of it if you want to. Now that's the speed, but let's go back. If I want to, I can change the dimension as well. So I can change the thickness. I don't have to have it that thick if I don't want to. And I can resize it as well, right? So that'd be totally up to me, or up to you for whatever you want to do so far as customizing this application to your liking. But I thought the developer did a really good job, and you can customize the color. Let me get out of this real quick. If I want to customize the color, I can change it to whatever color I want it to be when I get notified. And you get a few in all, not bad. But what I want to leave it on is this one. This is auto color. It colorizes the edge lighting depending on the app icon, which I thought was pretty cool. So it gives me an idea as to who may be trying to contact me. Although there's a lot of different applications with the same colors, I still thought it was cool. Now you got hide AOD, quick dismiss the edge lighting when you turn on the screen. You see I got that on. Show always, display duration. So you can set the duration for however long you want this to show. And I'm going to take it back down to 15 seconds. You got slow, disable, pause, compatibility. Now, here's one thing that they also have, and we're going to go into settings. So you got only on notifications, tap to show, which means it's going to activate the AOD when notification arrives, and activate tap display to show AOD. So you can do that. So you got full customization. Again, you're not going to get this with the free version. So in order to get the most out of this application, truly, you want to buy it. All right. Now, down here, you got clock style, right? Now, this takes you into your always on display for some reason. And it allows you to go in to tweak or set your clocks, color, hit done. And it also takes you into general, and it takes you into your application settings here too as well. So I thought it wasn't a bad deal. I thought the developers definitely got down on this one. Again, I paid $2.99 for this in the Google Play Store, and I'm going to say it was worth every penny. But at the end of the day, it's all about you. What did you think of this application? Okay, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And if you liked the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.